Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another episode of Action Figure Unboxing, the style of video where I have 3 packages that I've ordered for myself a long time ago and I don't know the order of them. So, without further ado, let's get into it and crack these things open. This will be the last unboxing video I film in this house because I'm moving down south to be with family. And so I'm giving up my independent apartment and I'm going to be staying with my sister for a little while. So this is kind of a sad unboxing video, but time to move on. Anyway, here we go. First package. Oh, it's the lizard from No Way Home. I was wondering where this one was. I thought it would be a bigger box. Wow. It's a really square package, but yeah, I waited out for the Amazing Spider-Man because that one looked like dog shit, so I waited for the No Way Home version, and they kind of remodeled his look a little bit in No Way Home, and yeah, this figure looks great. It comes with 2 head sculpts. The tail looks great. Yeah, super happy with this. Doesn't really look like the classic lizard, so that, I do really, I would really like a classic lizard, but to add to my No Way Home shelf here, the lizard is the last Spidey villain I needed, so that one is now complete. I love completing a shelf. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's get into box number 2. Okay. Ooh. And we have Mystique from the Fox films. Wow, this is this the X-Men First Class one? Yeah, this is the X-Men First Class one. So not like from the original X-Men trilogy, but from the new ones with Michael Fassbender and all of them. Yeah, this looks good. An alternate head would have been awesome, like how the Magneto and the Patrick Stewart came with the old ones. You could have the new or old actress. That would have been above and beyond, I guess. But still a great figure. Really happy to have it. That arm transforming in, that's dumb as fuck. That should be an alternate head, in my opinion. If they're going to waste the plastic, give me the older actor head. But it is what it is. Okay, and now the last package I have. It's also a big one. Save the best for last. See, I don't know. This looks like it's wrapped in paper and taped to shit, so this is gonna take me a little bit to open. I don't even think that did anything. Oh, okay. Wow, and then it's in a box. Okay. They're making me work for this last one. Ah. Really on there. Okay. Well, it was safe from shipping. There we go. Okay. Oh, wow. Infinity Saga Endgame 2-pack with Thanos and the Mark 85 Iron Man. Wow. Yeah, I saved Thanos for last because I knew he would be... I knew this one was Thanos just because it was a big box. But yeah, this looks amazing. That Robert Downey Jr. head sculpt looks exactly like him. Oh my gosh. The 85 is the last armor I need, and yeah, Thanos is the last MCU villain I need, and my MCU shelf is complete. I'm really happy. Yeah, this was a great haul. Some great figures to get last here. Try and pull them all up. And yeah, it's gonna be sad to take all this down and pack it up and move to a new place, but there will be a few packages to open at the new place. I got a couple small ones I'll bring, and I'll show the display with everything I've got so far. I'll get it started over there, and we'll do a new display tour video with all my updated figures. So, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to stay up to date on everything coming from me, hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.